Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A17. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, or better at the cover of the box. So there's another little white box in it, if you remove it like that, and then you will have here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it like that. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, or a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Let's start with the first SIM card. You need to place it here, the first position. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add now a second SIM card. It's optional. You need to place it here. It's a bit tiny. Press it well if it's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's as well a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are here as well below. Okay, what you can do else is you can extend the internal storage with a micro SD card, but then you have to remove here the second SIM card because you will need the full space here. So press it well. Usually you will hear a little click noise, and this is how it should look like then. So the micro SD card only fits like that, and the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. The written words are on the top, to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video how to insert a SIM card here at the Samsung Galaxy A17 4G or LTE. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, I've created also some more videos with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.